हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो टू बार्ट इन द स्टॉक। आज मेरे स्टूडियो में स्वागत करता हूं मैं मिस्टर रोहित, जो कि लीला पैलेस से हैं, जो एक बारटेंडर है, और दूसरे है मिस्टर अंकित, जो कि पीसीओ बार से हैं। दोनों बहुत ही बेहतरीन बारटेंडर्स हैं, मैं उनके साथ काम कर चुका हूं। तो आज हम उनके साथ बातचीत करेंगे और जानेंगे कि उनके व्यूज़ क्या है अबाउट बारटेंडिंग और उनके स्ट्रगल के बारे में। तो हैव यू ट्यून गाइस। हाय गाइस, मैं स्वागत करता हूं मिस्टर रोहित और मिस्टर अंकित का। तो आज हम बात करेंगे व्हाट अबाउट द बारटेंडिंग और इनके स्ट्रगल के बारे में, कि इन्होंने क्या एक्सपीरियंस लिया है अपने बारटेंडिंग करियर में, और हम आपको ये भी बताएंगे कि क्या क्या चीज़ हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल है और क्या क्या चीज़ हमारे लिए नेगेटिविटी पॉइंट है। ठीक है, तो मिस्टर अंकित और मिस्टर रोहित, आप वन बाय वन ये बताइए कि आपने ये बार्टेनिंग लाइन चूज करने के लिए कैसे सोचा आपने?
From my side, when I started from bartending, it's come from schooling. When I was in school, my chachu was my idol. He used to be in hospitality business for so many years. So after that, when I'm doing my schooling, and after that I choose hospitality business as per my career, and then I did BSc in hotel management. And because of that, I got to know so many things about hospitality line, especially I started my career through Oberoi's. I was in Oberoi's Maiden. I did my training from there, and I used to be a waiter there. I started my career as a waiter, as a delivery boy in room service. But then I realized what is bartending actually means. I used to see so many bartenders across the Oberoi's industry, especially. Then I got to learn so many things about bartending from there as well. Plus, Senior is one of them who's helped me to grow in this industry when it comes to bartending, making a cocktail and making about so many things. And I got to know so many things about cocktail when I joined PCO as well. PCO is really helpful when it comes to cocktail. They have, I think, more than 50 cocktails in their menu itself. And after knowing cocktails in PCO, then I realized there are so many, bartenders across the world which know about cocktails and this liquor company as well. And there are so many bartenders which I got to inspire, that I have to be one of them, that I have to follow them, that I have to learn something from them. One of them is Vinod Senior as well. I learned so many things from him as well. What is cocktails and how to make cocktails, what are the nutritions behind it, what should be mixed inside the cocktail and what shouldn't be. The both thing. They both matters a lot.
Yes, Mr. Rohit, can you tell me something about it? When I did like my schooling, then I just decided to I'm just a part of those country who have a future in. Right. So I just start to collection about the hospitality and those things. So then I just decide to choose the hospitality. Then I was working in a Hilton Garden Inn as a waiter. So that time I'm just doing a bartender. I was always tracking to the guest and always trying to representing themselves. But being as a waiter, I can't do this thing. Like people ask come and ask about the what food you have and that kind of those kind of thing, and so people are don't want to listening about waiter. So that's why then I just talk to about then I just start to talk to bartenders and learn about bartending skills and those things. And my like I have a 4 year experience, but I just started my bartending career from Leela Palace. Right. So I just I just learn about the history about the cocktails and those things, and I'm loving it. Right. That's a straightforward thing for me. So I'm just clear about the history and those things, and I love to serve the drinks and talking about themselves and so many things about myself and themselves. That's the thing.
Yeah, that's a good way. So after that you become a bartender. What do you think about what is the bartending and what is the future about the bartending? Can you tell me one by one?
When it comes to right now, we all know that coronavirus pandemic is really high on nowadays, but are usually closed in Delhi NCR across the India as well. But I do believe that apart from this virus stuff, we have really bright future when it comes to bar and bartenders in hospitality industry, especially hospitality industry is one of the growing industry across the world, and I do believe that bartenders do have one of the growing future and one of the better future when it compares to across the other industry as well, especially. But nowadays, we know that coronavirus or the pandemic right now, which is happening in our society, our bar is closed. But this is the right time that we can gain our knowledges. This is the right time that we can do lot more online courses as well, and this is the right time as well to make such videos to encourage our young generation to at least to push them to make something good in their life. I do believe that, yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Your view, sir?
Like, I just want to represent this thing for my junior bartenders who doesn't understand English. The first thing, I'm speaking in Hindi
No problem, sir.
because of them. Because जो हम लोगों के जूनियर बारटेंडर है, उन लोगों को सीखना भी है, पर उनके अंदर एक हेजिटेशन भी है कि वो इंग्लिश में नहीं सीख पाते, क्योंकि लोग हम लोग को इसको हिस्ट्री बता रहे, कुछ बता रहे, तो उनके ऊपर से लाइक बाउंस होते हैं उस चीज़ में.
राइट.
दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग.
बिल्कुल.
तो उन लोगों का प्रॉब्लम ये है कि उनके अंदर अभी भी एक हेजिटेशन है. उनको लगता है कि हम किसी सीनियर से पूछने जाएंगे तो वो कोई भी जवाब देंगे तो वो इंग्लिश में देंगे और हमको इंग्लिश आती नहीं है. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज लैंग्वेज इज नेवर कम टू योर प्रोफेशन.
राइट.
अगर तुम्हें कुछ सीखना है, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड और क्लियर रहो अपने सीनियर्स के साथ.
ग्रेट.
उनको ही पता है कि तुम किस लेवल पे हो और कहाँ पे तुम्हें जाना है, वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही तुम्हें सिखाएंगे, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाई दे आर सीनियर्स.
या,
लेट मी
agree.
क्लियर दिस थिंग. तो उनके साथ यही प्रॉब्लम है कि लाइक जो भी बारटेंडिंग का कोर्स करके आ रहे, होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स करके आते हैं, लाइक मैं भी था, मैं क्लियर बोलता हूँ कि मैं भी था, तो मेरे अंदर एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी कि मैं जब होटल में जाऊँगा तो मेरे को लोग सिखाएंगे. दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग विच इज कॉमन इनसाइड माई माइंड. तो जब मैं उस चीज़ को सीखने गया तो ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं, सीरियसली बोलूँ.
Yeah, so can you tell me what is the role of your seniors, which is your work with you, and what about they giving a knowledge about bartenders and junior staffs?
अंकित,
From my point of view, I started my career as I told you before in Oberoi's, and after that this Olive was my second property, and third property was PCO. That taught me a lot. And after that I joined Vino Senior in one of the known bar as well. I don't want to name it right here, but still I got to know few things about bartending and about bartending culture, what is going through in our country, and especially what all nutrition when we are making the cocktails. Especially cocktails are known for mixing flavors, mixing ingredients, or you can say mixing any nutrition items inside the cocktail. You should know about that as well. That I got to know from Vino Senior as well. And plus a few seniors, I used to work with them. They also taught me a few things about how the bar industry actually work, and especially how the hospitality industry is growing in this country and across the world, and what future we have in this industry. And I do know that our industry is one of the growing industry. We are also the part of the industry as well. We should know our things so we can all together increase, yeah, you can say uphill the industry for the betterment. I do believe that, yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Yes, Mr. Rohit.
when I just joined, like being as a bartender in Lila Palace, so that time when my senior was like, we both are the same age, so he said like, what you know about the cocktails and those things like spirit and all. So I said, I don't know anything. I'm just fresher. I have a 1 year experience, but in a restaurant, not in a as a bartender. So I just learn about the alcohol, about the cocktails, so many things. So when I just joined after Leela, like I'm with you, so I just learned so many things about the what is a cocktail, about the spirits, and the thing is, where is invent for cocktail? What is the meaning of cocktail?
Yeah.
What is the first name of the cocktail? What is the meaning of whiskey? What is the meaning of wine? So many things like I can't explain in this video because if I try to explain that video will be gone long.
We have to be
Yeah,
short.
Yeah. So that's the thing. So I just learn basic things from my seniors when I joined the Leela Palace, but when I joined you, that's the thing.
Things
I just
got
learned
different,
so
yeah.
many things. That's
Things
the
got
thing.
different, yeah,
Yeah.
things
Yeah, that's great. If you are very loyal with your profession and you think about your learning period, so someone is kind in your life and will teach you the right way, is a god of grace. Now you tell me about what do you think about the YouTubers and other videos which has helped you a lot.
The thing is, they're explaining how to make the cocktails.
Right.
But the first thing is they're not clarify in a right way. They are not clarify the history. They are not clarify what is the cocktail. The thing is like तुम किसी चीज को सिखाने चले हो बट जिसको सिखाना चाहते हो उसको उसके बारे में ही नहीं पता तो तुम्हें यही नहीं पता कि कॉकटेल है क्या आई कहाँ से और तुम सीधे एक कॉकटेल को लेके उसके ऊपर आ रहे हो दैट्स अ रॉन्ग थिंग
Okay. So आप क्या
Right.
कहना चाहेंगे आप?
For that point of view, if you ask me what is cocktails and what all cocktails is delivering to our industry, I do believe that when it comes to hospitality industry or when it comes to bar industry, especially when it comes to hospitality, that our industry is basically when it comes to bar is totally cocktail oriented. If you know what flavors can go with spirits, if you know what flavors can go well with spirits, you can easily become a being a bartendering. I don't think so. Bartendering is a big thing. If you want to become a bartender, bartending is so simple. If you know what is basics, if you know what is going through which ingredients are going with which spirits, then you can easily become a bartender. I do believe that. Yeah.
I agree.
At the end, you should deliver a good cocktail, which is taste good, which is look good, which is aroma. Aroma is also matter. Aroma should be there inside the cocktail. I do believe that. Yeah.
Yeah, I say both are said in very right way.